Updating your billing address on TrueMoney is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Open the TrueMoney app. Launch the TrueMoney application on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once you are in the app, look for the account or profile section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your profile icon. Step 3. Select billing information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Edit your address. You will see your current billing address displayed. Click on the Edit button next to it. Enter your new billing address in the provided fields and ensure all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Click it to confirm the changes and ensure your new billing address is saved in the system. Make sure to double-check your updated information to avoid any issues in the future. Keeping your billing address current is essential for smooth transactions.